Hello and welcome to Designers for CBE. Today we are going to see about how to create solids by using solid tools, and let's move into the video. So if you see, we have seen in previous session about the wireframes. So by using wireframes we have to create all the 2D sketches. This is the common for all the solid surfaces. Okay, so I just give 56 mm and my height to be 50 mm, and I click OK and go to solids menu. In solids menu there are a simple, create, modify and drawing. These are the four options available in it. In this, if you see in simple, it has a cylinder or block or a sphere or cone and torus, which will be readily you can pick it and use it to your specification. If you are going with an customized design, then you have to go with the extrude. Like, see, if I have a 2D sketch, so I just go with the and select the 2D sketch and click OK, and automatically the extrude will be creating the body. So if you want to customize it, you can do it by reverse all option, or you can add a chain by adding another sketches also, and you can control the distance of it by either you can by pressing up and down arrows, or you can just entering the values. And if you need in both the direction, you have to click the both direction, so the same distance of 45 mm will be appeared on bottom side and the top side of the drawing. So this will be helpful for you to outcome the customized designs. So if you see, I have designed it, and again I will go with this and go for a circle in center. So I need to be now going with same operation of extrude, but I'm just selecting the entity as a whole, and I will go with cut body. If you see now, after the first sketch, it enables three options: add boss, cut body, or create a body. So in this I just go with the cut body because I need a hole. So if you see, the distance has been it will be as my previous distance, so I need only 20 mm. So if you see, the distance has been given, and I will click OK, and now I will show you how the boss function will be. And the same, I will go with the wireframe and design another one circle with some square rectangles. Okay, I will go to solids and create extrude and select the two entities at the same time without pressing any key, and it defaultly goes with the previous type, cut body. So I will go with the boss and I will flip the direction, so it calls for some distance, so I will just give 10 mm. It's enough for me. See, the bomb model has been created. Okay, next there is an revolve option. As same like for extrude, we have to go with the sketch, and I am just going with my top view again, and I will just create a center line, and I'm just designing some turning profile in rough manner. I need to grow. I need a slight hole on my center body, so I will again go with the line. It's not a problem, and I will go and do some trimmings. and now I will go with the solids and select revolve and select the chain and click OK, and it asks for the select the line for rotational axis. So I will select the center line. See, the component has been created. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share us. We do freelance services like CAM programming, 2D to 3D model conversion, 3D to 2D drafting, cage design and tailor-made cutting tools, and manufacturing services. Reach us through our website. Thank you.